Hey, what's up, guys? I'm from Body and Soul Science. If you want motivation to start ketogenic diet, or if you're already doing it but lost motivation to continue it, this video is for you. I know there is a lot of information available on internet like why you should be doing this type of diet for health reasons, energy reasons, weight loss reasons, and many more. But I'm not going to repeat all those things. I will tell you something that you probably never heard before. Most people focus their lives on one thing. For some people, it's money. For some people, it's success or kids. But some people focus their lives on food. Yes, food. Food becomes so important for them that they think about it all the time. A life is so precious, and I think we need to focus on something more important than food. So ketogenic diet gives you that freedom from food. You're not always hungry and crave food all the time. If you're working late, on vacation, or traveling on road, you will eat if you find keto-friendly food. Else, you will be fasting with no issues. You won't get headaches, you won't be nauseous or feel low. So if you haven't started yet or just started, keep doing it and have fun in your life without having to focus on food. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.